We are preparing for the Slider Golf Tournament. In preparation for that, every team is required to have completed a poster board. If you have done that, you're going to want to bring your poster board into the classroom after this video so that other teams can reference the information. Make sure that your poster lists your question in standout fashion, your variable, all controls that you used, and your data with a topic showing what the data is for example, sphere at top of ramp, and then the mean, median, mode, and range for your data. Once that is complete and your group is ready, you want to find another group that is also ready. You want to trade posters with them. Take a look at their poster. For instance, this group asked, how does the starting point affect the distance of the sphere? Notice that it says sphere at top in their first data. You'll want to look at what the top means by reading their variable and then using the controls. If you start a sphere at top, you could start a metal sphere, a marble, or a wooden sphere. So you're going to want to read their controls to see what they did. It says metal and the 3 blocks, it tells you how the blocks are stacked. So you notice they're flat with the side that says Jenga. So you want to set up your blocks the same exact way. You want to start the metal sphere at the top and see if you can reproduce the results. Does your slider car stop at about 38 centimeters? If not, maybe this group needs to add some more controls to their list. You want to make sure that you can replicate their results, because in the tournament, I might say a number that's in the upper 30s. For instance, 39 centimeters. So you want to make sure that you know how to use this group's information so you can get a relatively similar data point. If the results aren't able to be replicated, you want to ask that group for more information. After you've had the opportunity to do this, you can start training for the Slider Golf Tournament. Have one person in your group pick any number between, I'm going to make it for you guys because you're a little bit more advanced, I'm going to say between 5 and 99 centimeters. So say in that last group I just picked, I'm going to go back to the picture. Let's say Matai, Kat, and Julia are training for the Slider Golf Tournament. Julia is going to say a number. Say she chooses 22 centimeters. As a team, how are you going to construct your system so that your sphere stops at 22 centimeters? You want it to be precise enough so that you are prepared for me to call out any number between 5 and 99 centimeters when we do the tournament, and know how you're going to set up your system so that your slider car stops at that precise distance. We're going to actually be doing 5 rounds in the tournament, so I could get a nice variation of numbers. You will receive a point for each centimeter away from the target. You do not want points. So if I say 30 centimeters and you stop at 40 centimeters, that's 10 points. So take this time and use it well, because it's the last time you're going to have to prepare for the tournament.